Some nights I don't want to stir, saute, or babysit anything. I just want the oven to do the work. This chickpea and brown rice casserole is that kind of meal. Wholesome, hands-off, and full of heart. You only need a few pantry staples: cooked brown rice, canned chickpeas, diced tomatoes, a little broth, and yellow onion for sweetness. I'm using a light ceramic baking dish. It holds heat evenly and makes the casserole feel extra homey. Add everything straight into your baking dish. No pots, no pans, just mix and bake. That's why we call it a dump and bake. Here's a tip. If your brown rice is cold from the fridge, rinse it under warm water first. It helps it bake evenly and keeps the texture soft and fluffy. If you love recipes that do the work for you, tap like so I'll know to share more of these cozy oven dinners. Simple, satisfying, and perfect for busy days. Bake at 375 degrees for about 25 minutes until the edges start to bubble and the top turns a little golden. Check this out. Brown rice, chickpeas, and that golden crust doing all the heavy lifting. You'll find the full recipe in the pinned comment. See you next time.